Welcome to our gardening guide, designed to help new gardeners start with confidence and ease. Best Garden Tool Set for beginners can make planting, digging, and maintaining your garden simple, enjoyable, and efficient right from your very first gardening experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Grenebo Garden Tool Set. The Grenebo Garden Tool Set is a practical and complete solution for gardeners who want reliability and convenience in one package. Built from durable stainless steel, the tools resist rust and bending even after repeated use in moist soil or demanding outdoor conditions. This set includes 8 essential gardening tools along with a stylish storage tote, making it ideal for everyday garden maintenance such as digging, planting, pruning, and weeding. Each tool feels solid in hand, giving users confidence while working with tough soil or dense roots. The ergonomic wooden handles provide a comfortable grip that reduces strain during longer gardening sessions, which is especially helpful for seniors or beginners who value ease of use. The non-slip design ensures steady control whether you are transplanting flowers or cultivating garden beds. One of the most appealing features is the included garden tote bag. Its floral vintage design adds charm while also keeping tools organized and easy to carry around the yard. Dedicated hanging holes on every handle allow simple storage after use, helping extend the lifespan of the tools. Overall, the Grenebo Garden Tool Set combines durability, comfort, and organization in a thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for home gardeners seeking a reliable all-in-one gardening companion. Number 2. Fiskars 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set. The Fiskars 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set focuses on essential performance while maintaining exceptional build quality. Designed for gardeners who prefer simplicity without sacrificing strength, this set includes a hand trowel, transplanter, and cultivator capable of handling a wide range of gardening tasks. Each tool features cast aluminum heads that deliver impressive digging power while remaining lightweight enough for extended use. The rust-resistant construction ensures dependable performance season after season, even when used frequently in wet or compact soil. Fiskars is known for practical engineering, and this set reflects that reputation through well-balanced tools that offer precise control during planting and soil preparation. The soft-grip ergonomic handles significantly reduce hand fatigue, allowing users to work comfortably while turning soil, aerating beds, or removing weeds. The non-slip design ensures steady control whether you are transplanting flowers or cultivating garden beds. One of the most appealing features is the included garden tote bag. Its floral vintage design adds charm while also keeping tools organized and easy to carry around the yard. Dedicated hanging holes on every handle allow simple storage after use, helping extend the lifespan of the tools. Overall, the Grenebo Garden Tool Set combines durability, comfort, and organization in a thoughtful design, making it an excellent choice for home gardeners seeking a reliable all-in-one gardening companion. Number 3. RESTMO 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set. The RESTMO 3-in-1 Garden Tool Set stands out for its premium craftsmanship and strong construction designed for serious gardening tasks. Made from high-grade No. 50 carbon steel, the tools offer superior durability compared to standard garden equipment. This stronger material resists bending under pressure, making digging, aerating, and transplanting far more efficient. The polished oxidized finish not only adds an attractive antique appearance, but also protects the tools from wear and corrosion over time. Each piece in the set, including the trowel, transplanter, and cultivator, is carefully engineered to deliver balanced performance and dependable strength. The wooden handles provide a natural feel that absorbs shock and minimizes hand fatigue during extended work sessions. Unlike plastic handles, the solid wood construction remains stable in varying weather conditions while maintaining a comfortable grip. Reinforced welding further enhances durability, ensuring the tools withstand heavy gardening workloads without loosening or breaking. This thoughtful design makes the set suitable for both experienced gardeners and beginners who appreciate quality craftsmanship. Beyond functionality, the engraved detailing adds a refined touch that makes the tools attractive enough to gifting. Overall, the RESTMO Garden Tool Set offers a combination of strength, comfort, and long-lasting performance for gardeners seeking dependable tools built to endure years of use. Number 4. MelonArt 10 PCS Garden Tool Set. The MelonArt 10 PCS Garden Tool Set is designed for gardeners who want a comprehensive kit capable of handling nearly every gardening task. Featuring tools such as a folding saw, hand rake, pruners, trowels, weeder, gloves, and a spacious storage bag, this set provides impressive versatility for maintaining gardens of all sizes. Crafted from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, the tools are lightweight yet strong enough to handle regular digging, planting, pruning, and soil preparation. The rust-resistant construction ensures reliable performance even when used frequently outdoors. Comfort plays a major role in this set's appeal, as the ergonomic non-slip handles help reduce hand strain and provide better control during detailed gardening work. Whether trimming plants or preparing garden beds, users can maintain a steady grip for accurate movements. The included gardening gloves add protection, making longer sessions safer and more comfortable. Storage is equally convenient thanks to the large interior tote bag with multiple compartments that keep tools organized and easy to transport. The natural colors and practical hanging holes also make storage simple after use. Overall, the MelonArt Garden Tool Set offers excellent value by combining variety, durability, and user comfort in one well-organized gardening solution.
Number 5. Kemaier Garden Tool Set. The Kemaier Garden Tool Set delivers professional-level functionality in a compact 5-piece kit designed for precision gardening tasks. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel, each tool offers excellent resistance to rust, bending, and wear, ensuring dependable performance throughout different gardening seasons. The set includes a serrated trowel, mud scoop, garden rake, crack weeder, and dandelion puller, providing gardeners with specialized tools suited for detailed maintenance work. One standout feature is the serrated trowel, which easily cuts through stubborn grass and roots, while the sharp tip allows smooth soil penetration for effortless planting and transplanting. Measurement markings on the blade add extra accuracy when positioning plants at proper depths. The precision-engineered garden rake works well for leveling soil, preparing seed beds, and removing debris without damaging surrounding plants. Ergonomic design enhances overall usability, allowing gardeners to work comfortably without excessive hand fatigue. These tools feel balanced and sturdy, making them suitable for both hobby gardeners and experienced users who demand reliable performance. Kemaier's focus on practicality and durability makes this set a dependable choice for maintaining flower beds, vegetable gardens, or landscaping areas. Overall, it offers a well-rounded combination of strength, efficiency, and thoughtful design for everyday gardening needs. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon